Hello, students. I hope you all are safe at home. So, let's start our second semester portion. So, today I will explain you lesson number 5, and the name of the lesson is Adivasis. So, let's start the lesson. Various groups have done praiseworthy deed of preservation from sag culture, agriculture culture to forest culture of India. Now, the topic is Adivasis. The specific Adivasi group that are included in the Constitution of India and protecting traditional culture are known as scheduled tribes. The lifestyle of the Adivasi of India can be seen in their various festivals, customs, food, dress, dialect, paintings, musics, and dance. Before independence of our country, tribal society was different from other societies. Still, their contribution in the Indian system is quite significant. Adivasi literally means Adi means from olden times and Vasi means inhabitant. The members of each tribe were connected with one another by tribal, that is, kabilas, family, and kinships. Practice was noticed there. They lived their life as a hunter and pastoralist, as well as farming to some extent. Forest and nature were the factors that had the greatest impact on the life of the tribes. Their houses were made up of natural resources only. These tribes jointly controlled the land and land products and distributed them among all the families according to their own rules. From this, it can be said that the life of the people of the tribes was of a collective type. Therefore, the principle of community living is found in their economy. Social equality was seen in different communities. The tribes usually lived in forest, mountains, deserts, and inaccessible places. The tribes were interdependent for their various needs. Due to this interdependence, those tribes gradually changed. Contemporary historians and travelers have given very little information about the tribes. Present day historians use such oral tradition to write the history of the tribes. Now, the next topic is way of life and culture. Adivasi community is different from other communities in some regards, while in some cultural matters their beliefs are similar to other communities. The livelihood of the tribal community was dependent on forest products, agriculture, animal husbandry, as well as the things produced by their art and skills. In North Gujarat, men used to wear dhoti, shirt, and fallu. In the eastern belt, men used to wear black banyan and short dhoti, while in the South Gujarat, some people used to wear dhoti or pajama. Peheran. In North Gujarat, women wore zuladi. In the present times, most of the tribal communities have adopted the same dress as the mainstream. They wear their traditional attire only during their special festivals. Children, you can see on page number 28 scene of Dang Fair. So please look at this picture on page number 28. You can see the scene of Dang Fair. The major identity of Adivasi community is found in their distinctive traditions, dialects, and festivals. As the Adivasi community has been a lover and preserver of nature, they worship nature as various forms of god and goddesses and perform various rituals to please them. Specific customs prevail in the tribal community regarding marriage. Every tribe has a panch of their society which works to maintain their tradition. At present, tribal society has changed due to government schemes, spread of education and technological development. Now they find permanent houses, facilities of education, and modern attire. Social consciousness prevails. Now, student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.